Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on blood relation. It says A, B, C and D are all related to each other. A is the daughter of B, B is the son of C, and C is the father of D. Which of the following statement is true? Now see, there are multiple people involved in this question. And the easiest approach to solve a question based on blood relation where there are multiple people is to draw a flow chart. And when I say flow chart, it should be the flow chart for generations, not for the people exactly. It becomes very easy and convenient for us to get the answer. So let us see how we can approach such a question. As it is given that there are four people, that is A, B, C and D in the question, and they are related to each other. It is given that A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B. Please understand, when A is a daughter, A becomes female, daughter of B. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing a vertical line to represent the relationship between a daughter and a father or a mother. When I say father or a mother, I still do not know the gender for B. So I'll just keep it blank. The next line says B is the son of C. As B becomes the son, again a vertical line, son of C, and because B is a son now, so he becomes a male person. Also, it is given that C is the father of D. C is the father and thus becomes a male, father of D. Now we do not know the gender so far for D. So this is what is given in the question so far. But before I approach to the question or to figure out the answer, I will quickly do a cross check whether I've drawn the diagram correct or not. Or is it getting contradicted with the statements given in the question? So as it says, A is the daughter of B, which looks perfect. B is the son of C. B is the son of C, which again looks okay. C is the father of D, which is fine. Now the question says which of the following statement is true? So the first statement says B and D are brothers. B and D are brothers. They both belong to a same generation. As you see, this is one generation. I mean, this is the first generation, I would say. This is the second generation, and A belongs to the third generation. So now the question says, or the statement says, B and D are brothers. B and D are brothers. It could have been correct if D would have been a male person. But since we do not know the gender for D, I cannot say that D is a male or a female. And thus, this statement becomes a wrong statement. Next statement says, A is D's daughter. A is D's daughter, which absolutely looks wrong because A is B's daughter and B's sibling is D, and thus A cannot be D's daughter. So this statement also is wrong. The third line says if E is B's daughter, that means we are talking about one more person. Now it is if E is B's daughter, she is A's sister. As we see that A is daughter of B, and in the statement it is given if E is B's daughter, that means both of them become sisters, which looks absolutely possible, and thus this can be a correct statement. Let us quickly check if fourth statement has some meaningful conclusion. If F is C's granddaughter, if F becomes C's granddaughter, now F can come from this D or F can also come from B, because in both the cases F becomes C's granddaughter. She is A's sister. Now if F is C's granddaughter, she is A's sister. Now as we see, F if coming from D becomes a cousin, and FF coming from B becomes a sister. So this cannot be conclusive, and therefore the much appropriate answer is option number 3. So therefore answer to this question becomes the third option. So this is how easily we can solve a question based on blood relation where we have multiple people involved in the question. I hope everyone has understood this. Thank you everyone.